Wotcha everyone, how are we doing? Hope you're all keeping safe and well. Quick little video this time, I just cobbled a bunch of content together. You'll enjoy it. Just kick off with a little oil change on Colleen and then I head out into a local country lane. Beautiful weather. Come along, it'll make you smile. After this brief intro, we'll pick up with the oil change. See you soon. Wotcha, Blokes and Blokettes, you're through to Oil Your Works. I'm the Baldy Brit Bloke and this is my YouTube channel. Oi oi! Oi oi! Please subscribe, please like, please comment, please share. Oi oi! Quick little oil change on Colleen. Service engine lights come on. So I'm just going to do this quickly before lunch. Let her drain out while I'm eating and then top her back up afterwards. Apologise if there's any noise pollution on the vlog. It's an absolutely gorgeous day out there, so I've got the garage door open. The weather has been horrendous, as I mentioned in a previous vlog, but the last week or so it has been absolutely gorgeous. Yes, that needs to be done. Hey, you biatch. Nice. That's what microfiber cloths are for, right? Joys of home mechanics. I'm not too sure how she was upkept, what her maintenance was like before I got her. That oil was pretty dirty. Hey, what's the matter for you? Now let's fill her up and get the heck out of here. Oi oi! I'm back in Colleen. Usual story, work is crazy busy. A friend of mine who knows the hours that I've been working told me I need to watch myself and take some time off. So I am just doing as I'm told. I left work early, had lunch, cleaned Colleen, and I'm out now just recording a bit of content and getting a couple of pictures for Instagram. This particular little road I'm going to drive along now is only about 4 minutes from where I live. It's really pretty. It reminds me of some of the country roads in England. So I thought I'd record it so you can come along with me. I'm not too sure how the camera's going to handle driving into the sunlight, which we'll be doing for the next 3 or 4 minutes. but then I'm going to turn around and come back the other way, so I won't be driving into the sun, driving away from it. And on the way, on the route, I'm going to be stopping a couple of times to get some pictures. Shut up chatting, and just enjoy the drive. That sky, I'm not too sure if it will come out on the camera, but it is so blue. It was cold this morning. I don't think there was a frost, but right now it's about 18 degrees C. Something, I haven't driven Colleen very often on dirt roads like this, and it does not feel very nice. It feels like driving on marbles. Abby, meanwhile, she's got wider tyres and she's four-wheel drive, so it feels much safer. See, that was a stop sign. Naughty girl. The long and winding road. Plastic camera very helpfully stopped working just then, so I had to retrace my steps and start over. If we look to the right just here, just to the right over here, there's a waterfall and there's a bunch of bikes. Triumphs. Proper motorbikes. And that, blokes, blokettes, boys and girls, brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you like the content, please make sure to poke that like button.